Hello everyone, you're welcome. Today's video we're going to be making egg marks for healthy hair. You're going to need to crack 1 or 2 eggs depending on the volume of your hair. You're going to crack it into a clean bowl, and then you are going to add vegetable oil. Yes, vegetable oil is very good for our natural hair. And then we're going to mix these 2 ingredients thoroughly until we get a very consistent paste. When it is thoroughly mixed like this, then it is ready to be used. You can go ahead and apply it on a clean hair, focusing on your scalp and on the tips also. Cover it up with a plastic bag or a shower cap and wait for like 20 to 30 minutes, and then you wash it off. Please like and share this video if you find it helpful in any way, and consider subscribing to my channel. It's going to be worthwhile. That's it guys for this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye.